Okay, everybody, welcome and thanks for joining us on My Mortgage Monday. Today I have one of my trusted partners, Erik Olson from Penrith Home Loans. And one of the typical questions that I get from first-time home buyers anyways is what's the difference between a pre-qualification versus a pre-approval, Erik?
It's a great question. There's a couple things. One, I'd consider your pre-qual is like you found the home on a Saturday.
Yeah.
And you want to write it and you haven't talked to a lender, but you call the lender on a Saturday. The lender takes down your information for a credit report, gathers some pay stubs, some bank statements, and some W-2s, and that's your pre-qual. It's a very basic file.
Sure.
Now, a pre-approval is going to be, say we talked for a couple weeks, really the lender has really dived into your finances.
Okay.
And really taken a look at it, submitted a loan package to an underwriter.
What does that package look like, entail, typically?
Typically, it's going to entail your 2 months bank statements, last 2 year W-2s, last 2 year tax returns, last 2 pay stubs, a full credit report, and some other miscellaneous items. We'll take all that information, we'll put it to an underwriter, and now it'll be fully signed off on, and your loan will be approved contingent on your appraisal and title of future property that you look to buy.
Perfect. And I can tell you from a buyer perspective in this competitive market, you're going to want a loan that is approved, fully underwritten at this point. We submit the offer. The seller listing agent is comfortable knowing that it's going to finish. What sets Penrith apart is their 21-day guarantee. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, one thing we offer at Penrith is called a 21-day close guarantee. What it is we take your whole loan and put it in front of an underwriter and it's signed off on. Now, we will guarantee that the loan will close in 21 days. If it does not, we will pay the seller up to $10,000. So if you're competing with another financed offer, this could separate yourself.
Most definitely, and something like that could be enough to put your offer on the top, especially in this highly competitive market. Well, thanks for joining me, Erik.
Thank you.
I appreciate your partnership,
Yep.
and thanks for joining us today on Mortgage Monday. We'll see you next week.